today I am going to show you the house that in San Phak Wan district, Hang Dong district. This lovely house is a single-story house located in Piang Luang Lanna Ville 2. This house is very close to all amenities like Chiang Mai Airport, Kad Farang, and the Fresh Market, and also is close to San Phak Wan Stadium. The way to get here is, let's say you start from Chiang Mai Airport, get on the road 108 for 7.2 km, and after that you turn left to the rural road number 3007. For 3.8 km, you will find this lovely village. So let's start with the front. This is a gate that is the fence that is like you have to use the hand to move it. This house, the land size is about 79 square wall, and the use space is really big, 106 square meters. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the furniture and the wooden furniture really nice. For the front door is north and east facing, and for the door to access to the house, you will see this glass sliding door, and every window will have a mosquito screen, which is really convenient in case that you want to keep the door open but just only close only mosquito nest. This is a lovely living area for this house. It has got a big window and the nice furniture here, and for this area, this is where you're gonna push your big televisions. It also has got one air conditioner. And for this first bedroom, this is really spacious, a wooden floor, really nice. Furniture also matching with the wardrobe, and it's got those side big window as well. And right next to this room, this is a bathroom that you will share with the first and the second bedroom. The bathroom also really nice. It has got this glass sliding door to separate from the shower and this washing area. Lovely. And this second bedroom, this bedroom is got its own bathroom. Very spacious, high floor, 2 windows side. You can see the garden from here, and the bathroom is also really big, modern bathroom. And next to this one, this is the third bedroom. This bedroom is used the same bathroom with the first bedroom, and the furniture here also similar to the other. Every room has got air conditioner. Let's go check the other parts of this house. Right now, I am in the garden of this house. This lovely garden is hand decorated with many plants. But let's start from on my left hand side. This is the parking lot that is got one covered parking. And this door is leading to the kitchen as well. In the kitchen, it's got a built-in counter kitchen with many cabinets. And it's also had got another door that's from the living area to the kitchen area. As you see, they have planted so many trees, and this is really lovely flower. And here you go. This is mango. At the back of this house, it's also got a water tank. It's about 1,000 liters. So this house is have a good space, 106 square meter. The land is really big, 79 sq.wah, where you can find a house with this size as the price that is very attractive. And this house is has got 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, located in San Phak Wan sub-district, Hang Dong district, and it's close to Chiang Mai International Airport, International School, Kad Farang, and many other restaurants. So if you would like to get more information of this house, please comment or call me at this number below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. And for next time, we're gonna take you to see. Don't miss that. So I'll see you next time. Bye.